Okay guys, this is a 2024 Ford Maverick Hybrid LARIAT Edition. Rebuilt title, rear damage, very light. Good tires on it. Nothing was touched up here in the front. This does have that bed cover on it. Start it up here for you. Hybrid, so it has a quiet start here. See 95.23 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, your steering wheel controls, all your traction control, smart key with remote start, push button start, rear sliding glass, heated seats, all your different apps. It does have Apple CarPlay. Navigation. No airbags deployed on this. Got in the accident. All your power controls. Seat looks brand new. VIN number. Does have the tow package. So plug back there, bed liner. Damage was here in the rear. As you can see, it's all fixed up, ready to go. Hybrids are front wheel drive, but these things will get 40 miles to the gallon. Pretty sought after Maverick. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.